Tell me your full name, please.
My full name is Garima Kaur.
Do you work or study?
Currently, I am studying in Victoria University.
Since how long have you been living in Australia?
In Australia, I'm living from last 3 years as I'm pursuing my bachelor's here.
Tell me something about your hometown.
I'm basically from Haryana, which is in India. It is also called the land of milk, and along with this, it is mainly famous for its battles such as Mahabharat.
Let's talk about traveling. Do you like traveling?
Yes, of course, I love traveling. I love to visit different places, and I'm curious to know about each and every place all around. As I love nature and greenery. So I love to go on high mountains in summers.
And what do you do on holidays?
Normally on holidays, I travel to different cities. For instance, last week I visited Sydney. I saw many different places and new places, and I love them.
Are there many tourists visiting your country?
Yes, yes, India, as I belong to India, and India is one of the country where you can see visitors from all around the world, because there are numerous tourist places such as Taj Mahal, fort, mountains, rivers, and some spiritual places.
Okay, that's all. It was the part of you first. I would like to ask Sadaf.
Yes,
Sadaf, let's talk about traveling. Do you like traveling?
yes, I do like traveling, traveling to the traveling to new places and explore new things with new cultures, and also the place should be uh, quite calm and serene and tranquilite.
Tranquil. Tranquil. T
Tranquil.
R A N Q U I L. Tranquil. Shant.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. What is your favorite type of holiday?
Uh, as I stay in hostel, I really want my holidays to be spent with my family. So wherever I go with my family. Mostly restaurants and a movie time, or some place visit some relatives.
Well, what do you do on holidays?
I spend watching movies or some news, and also do my as I am interested in research and research field, so I serve for the new researches which are being made, which are being so what should I use the word for which are currently going on. Okay.
Okay. Which are currently in vogue or prevalence.
Okay.
Okay. I would like to ask you something about your hometown, maybe your traveling, your hobbies, your study, education, your work, and then again the second part that will be I will provide one topic, and you have to speak between 1 and 2 minutes. And part three, I would ask you some questions, and you have to share your opinion. So while speaking, you be precise, be concise, speak with using good resources, lexical resources, the different words, the words that is not quite common, and grammatical range and accuracy, fluency and coherence. Fluency and coherence is very, very important here. Means it's quite significant that you can understand how to speak in a flow and coming to only a topic, speaking about a topic, not repeating a word twice or thrice. Tell me your full name, please.
I'm Dimple Lloyd Pereira.
Do you work or study?
I work. I'm working for a renowned organization as an e-commerce manager.
Tell me about your hometown.
I'm staying in Mumbai, Maharashtra, that is a part of India. I'm currently staying in Santa Cruz, where I'm located. It has a very good, surrounding, very good neighbors, and a very good view out of my house.